Hello guys, and welcome to day 7 of this spring reboot. So you know how we worked specifically on the liver, and for instance we had this movement to work on the meridian of the liver. Well, we have many meridians, and as you know, meridians are these lines of energy that circulate and make the communication between all the systems in the body. So I'm going to show you today something that you can use. It's awesome in the spring and anytime you want also. And we're going to be also tapping and working with the whole body. So it is a wake up of all the meridian, which is awesome for the spring, as this is a new season, a new cycle of energy. So again, if you want to do it outside and have bare feet, it's awesome to be also grounded and connected to the earth, which is going to help with the circulation of this energy. We're going to start quite simply, like Tarzan. So we're going to basically do like this, like pounding on our chest, like if we were Tarzan. That makes a funny voice. And then from here, you're going to start on your right arm. So I think I'm going to show you on this side so you're not too confused. So this is my left, but this you will start with your right arm. And what you do, you always think that your armpit is the cave, and you always come out of the cave, meaning you don't start tapping on the top of the shoulder, you start tapping on the inside. So from the inside of the armpit, you're going to tap all the way along until the end, the very end of your tips, the tips of your fingers, and then you're coming back up on the top of your arm, all the way, the shoulders, a little bit at the back, and then you tap across the chest, and you're going to be doing the same on the other side. So this would be your left arm, and again you're tapping all the way until the tip of the fingers and back on the top, crossing across the chest, and we actually do it twice. So once again, from the armpit all the way to the end of your hands, all across the chest, and then inside again, the left arm all the way back. And then you're going to tap gently, figure out where your navel is, and you're just going to make with one fist, or two actually, you can use two, it doesn't matter. Just going to do some gentle tapping all around. Now for me, I'm doing it clockwise, but if your intuition is to start doing this gentle circle around the navel on the other side, anti-clockwise, whatever feels right for you, or both, it's okay. You're just stimulating this area. And then from there, we're going to basically again do some hammers with our fist, and we're going to hammer on our kidneys like this. And then from there, we're going to then open our hands like palms of the hands, and we're going to go down, and then on the side of each legs all the way down. So here you want to include your feet, and then you're going to come back up inside the legs, like so, to the groin, and then you tap around and you do another round of the same thing. Outside the legs first, and inside the legs second. From here, we're going to get to the head. So now you're using the gentle tippy fingers, and you're going to imagine that you want to tap and wake up all your skull. So around your ears, the very base of your skull, leaving no spot untouched, waking up all places there. And next, we're actually going to be doing something on our ears. And there are two ways to do this. One is to use the palms of your hands and to rub your ears very, very fast until they actually feel hot and they become red. Now, the other thing that you can do is massage from the top of your ears all around, all the way to the lobe, the tip of the lobe of your ear. Now these two things, either rubbing your ears very energetically or massaging your ears, is very important, because in the ear, first of all, the ears are connected with the line of energy to your kidneys, but also inside your ears, if you know about acupressure or acupuncture, they actually have all the connection to all the internal organs. And I have used this tip of massaging my ears or rubbing my ears actually in other situations than just the change of season, when I have felt tired, because it's one way to wake up, kind of give you a boost in the head if you're feeling like you're dropping in energy. Try it out, it's very efficient. And then the last part we're going to be doing, it's for the face. So this you can do 2 or 3 times on the ears. So you're gonna start from like this place close to the nose, and then you're just gonna gently, it's about the energy. It's not a massage this time, it's just about the energy, kind of asking the energy to flow in that direction. And then we can close this with rubbing our hands and then cupping our eyes for a few seconds. And just take a few deep breaths. One last one. Believe you me, if you do this every day, it's awesome. And then to finish up, if you want, you can also do what we did at the beginning. One of the first things I showed you is just bounce and shake and just let the whole energy that we've been moving around to integrate with each other, so that your whole system feels that it's all harmonized. I hope you will enjoy this one. We're still in this beautiful season. Happy spring, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.